I have been working on human rights back home in Colombia for several years, and because of this type of sensitive work, I have been always wondering how to take care of myself in order to have the strength to keep working. And I have found pretty helpful to have this space, like to clean myself weekly to keep me going. I always need that to be able to work, because if not, sometimes you just get so overwhelmed. I arrived here for the first time because I was struggling personally with setting in the city. You know, it was a new city. I'm an overseas student. Back home I was trying to do it by myself, but I have always had this busy mind and I always need like some guidance. So when I found this space, I was so happy, because I needed that guidance to help me through this change in my life. So that's why I end up here. Like, I was looking for it and I found it online. I came here and it started to help me a lot, just to keep calm, be patient, accept whatever is coming, you know, and just watch it and don't struggle with it.